Hi guys, my name is Isra. Today I'm going to be doing a product review on Cymbiotika items. I've been using Cymbiotika for the last 3 years. It's a company based in California and I really like what they stand for. They really take care of getting the highest quality ingredients and really clean ingredients as well. And the product that I've used quite a bit is the vitamin C, as you can see this one right here. And I like to add this vitamin C to some water. And this is liposomal vitamin C, which means it is better absorbed into the body. This one, I personally really find the difference. Vitamin C is important for the production of collagen, and this is connected to the elasticity of your skin, to benefiting also your joints. And vitamin C, first and foremost, is known for it boosting your immune system. So whenever I feel not so well, I take more vitamin C than usual. I don't wait until I get sick. I take vitamin C almost every single day. I haven't had the Cymbiotika one for a bit. I was using camu powder, which is a natural source of vitamin C, and I try to keep it as natural as possible when it comes to what minerals and vitamins I take into my body. And before, any sort of supplements, I would say food. Food is your medicine, is your source of whole vitamins and minerals. But because the soil is depleted and because of monocropping, it's not like as before. Of course, organic food is better because it's better agricultural practices compared to monocropping, but I still feel within my body that I need to take something extra when it comes to vitamin C so I can stay healthy. And vitamin C is an antioxidant, so it helps to protect you from oxidative stress, from chronic stress, from not eating properly, and being exposed to unhealthy oils like canola oil, safflower oil, and so on. Vitamin C, love this product. Absolutely, highly recommend their liposomal vitamin C. It's been every order that I've gotten from them, I've had the vitamin C. Glutathione is a master antioxidant. It is a very powerful antioxidant for the body. It's important for the liver, and the liver is important because it helps to detoxify the body. So having this is very powerful. And right here they say glutathione acts as an important antioxidant that combats free radicals, molecules that can damage your body's cells. The combination of glutathione, PQQ, and CoQ10. So CoQ10 is important for the heart. It helps with healthy aging, mitigating food and environmental allergies, and neutralizing free radicals. Antioxidants are your friends. You need antioxidants, especially with the environmental pollutions and the different toxins that we're exposed to through maybe cosmetics, through even antiperspirants. By the way, if you are using an antiperspirant that contains aluminum, remove that completely and get one that does not have aluminum and does not contain fragrances, because this clogs up your pores within your armpits, which is important for sweating, releasing those toxins from the body. So you might be withholding yourself from actually detoxifying properly. Just a tip right there. I'm gonna taste it. It has like a very subtle berry taste. It's very, very delicious. And you can put this again in your water or you can take it straight. Now, Cymbiotika products can be pricey, but the more you buy from them, the greater of a discount you receive. So for example, if you buy a certain number, you might get 30% off. And in addition to that, free shipping. So I've been with Cymbiotika for 3 years, so I am at a tier of like a VIP buyer, and that way I get more discounts. So I think I got this for like more than half off because I got it during Black Friday. I have free shipping and I got another discount on top of that. So when you get a bundle with Cymbiotika, then it's cheaper. So that's a way to do it, and timing when you get it is so important, and you can actually add the discounts together. So that's how I've been doing it. I got this in total for $129 for 4 products, for the glutathione, vitamin C, for the D3K2, and for the magnesium L-threonate. Supplements can add up and it could be a lot, right? So Right now, it's the winter time. Vitamin D is so, so important. And of course, I try to be in the sun as much as possible, but now having this with shorter days is important. So this is their vitamin D3 K2 with CoQ10. And I've already taken from this, again, really delicious flavor. It's 4,000 IUs per serving. So vitamin D has so many benefits other than immune support. It's also important, it acts like a hormone in your body. So why is K2 important to be taken with D3? The reason for this, because it helps your body to transport it to your bones and teeth rather than letting it sit in your arteries and other soft tissues in your body. So that's obviously an important thing. That's why it's highly recommended to take K2 with D3. And last but not least, this is magnesium L-threonate. Magnesium L-threonate is specifically for your brain. It's great for depression and anxiety. And the amazing thing about this is a liposomal form. That means it can cross the blood-brain barrier and it makes it better absorbed. Sometimes there are certain supplements that can be taken, but they actually just go right through your body. They're not as absorbed. That's why getting high quality supplements is essential. You want to know what ingredients are getting into your body. So getting, like, for example, Jameson, I don't recommend it. I recommend high quality ones. And there's a reason why it's cheaper than other ones, right? Magnesium L-threonate is great for memory improvement, mood balance, neuroprotection, and brain power. I've noticed that I'm able to focus better and have a more balanced mind with magnesium L-threonate, so really recommend this one. It's like almond. It tastes like almond butter with a strong vanilla flavor. I personally like it placed in the water, that way I can better absorb it. Magnesium L-threonate is different from magnesium glycinate, where magnesium glycinate is more for relaxing the muscles. It's also correlated with better sleep. I personally take magnesium glycinate at night. Magnesium L-threonate, I take it during the daytime. It's more of this brain power. I highly recommend it. I have a link down below. Again, not affiliated. I'm not getting sort of any money back from this, but really, really nice products that I've been using since February of 2020. Yeah, so all in all, I just love the ingredients for Cymbiotika. It's really something to strive for when it comes to supplements, high quality, because I want to take in high quality ingredients into my body. Your body is your temple, so you need to nourish it, you need to take care of you. And yeah, let me know what you think if you've tried out Cymbiotika products, what your thoughts are about it. And please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very, very soon.